TH sound pronunciation. Why that specific sound is so hard for us non-native speakers to master. Why it feels so easy when we practice it, but when it comes to actual speaking, we completely messed up and our TH sound so bad. And finally, what can we do and change today to finally see results in our TH pronunciation? Let's find out together. In this video, I will talk about why our brain hates TH sound so much, so we cannot say even one single word right. I will give you some small tips how to pronounce this sound correct. And the most important part of this video, we will practice together to say words, phrases with TH so we can finally see results. Watch till the end so you will not meet the hardest exercise which will boost your TH pronunciation right away. First, let's talk about why TH sound is so hard for us non-native speakers to pronounce and why it feels so easy, but at the same time, we feel completely stuck while talking and our TH never sound right. The problem is obvious. We don't have such a sound in our native language. So when it comes to say something unspecific for us, it's just don't go the right way because we don't have experience in our life and our brain don't have that connections which make that sound. And our facial muscles and our tone don't have any idea how to pronounce that right. That's the main topic and the main problem we are facing every day. Every time when you think about why am I so bad in TH, just remember you don't have that specific sound in your native language. So that's why you cannot do it right away, even if it sounds so easy to practice. And now let's talk about how you make that sound so we can start practicing right away. Voiceless TH will sound like S and voice will sound like Z. For producing that sound, you need simply to put the tip of your tongue between your teeth like that and blow the air like S. For voiceless TH and Z, so you're using your vocal cords to make a sound for voice TH. Now when you know the basic, we can practice because practice making difference. Train our facial and tone muscles to make that sound. More we practice, better results we will have in real-time conversation. It takes me years to finally start making that sound right. And I'm still making mistakes time to time. So don't worry if your first attempts will not be that successful. Let's start our practice because that's the most important part of that lesson. First, we will practice voiceless TH. We will say 10 words with voiceless TH. Repeat after me. Think, think, sense, sense, thumb, thumb, bath, bath, math, math, thin, thin, teeth, teeth, 30, 30, both, both, path, path. Now let's practice some voice TH words. Repeat after me. This, this, that, that, them, them, there, there, though, though, mother, mother, father, father, other, other, together, together, brother, brother. Don't forget to practice it every day because you're making that connections in your brain and your facial muscles. More you're doing it, more you control yourself, more progress you will make. So now let's work on our TH in sentences. Repeat after me. I think this is the best path. I think this is the best path. 30 thieves took the thin thread. 30 thieves took the thin thread. She thanks both teachers. She thanks both teachers. Math is harder than I thought. Math is harder than I thought. The bath is full of bubbles. The bath is full of bubbles. So it was voiceless th practice. Now let's practice voice th in sentences. This is the way to do it. This is the way to do it. I saw them together yesterday. I saw them together yesterday. That brother is very kind. That brother is very kind. She said that other option is better. She said that other option is better. Do you like this weather? Do you like this weather? Okay, we practice sentences with th. And now to make one final step for our practice today, let's practice one tone twister, which really will challenge your tongue and brain to think how to produce that th sound correctly. Repeat after me. The 33 thieves thought that they thrilled the throne throughout Thursday. The 33 thieves thought that they thrilled the throne throughout Thursday. The 33 thieves thought that they thrilled the throne throughout Thursday. So that's it for our th practice pronunciation for this video. If you're really curious how can you improve your speaking fluency skills, it's simple answer. You need to practice every day. And for this reason, I started 30 days challenge where I'm giving you sentences and topics to practice with me every day. If you're interested to start improving your fluency and your pronunciation, confident speaking English, you can start talking with me starting today. Check out that video which will be recommended to you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.